Hello everybody, welcome to Magic in My Food. This is Jyoti Dalmia. Today is Tuesday and here comes a healthy, normal and a yummy non-keto recipe. It's a no mess pulao. Yes, it's a no mess veg pulao, perfect for the lockdown period when you are staying at home and you are tired of the loads of work, that is your laundry work, housework, office work. And if you get hold of recipes which takes less time to cook, which takes less time to wash utensils, it is the best recipe. So let's begin with it. For this easy no mess veg pulao, I am going to just take the basmati rice and I am going to soak it in water. So here I am adding water to it, stir it a bit and keep it aside while we cook the vegetables. And if you don't want to soak it, just rinse it off. It's better to rinse the rice and then cook. Then you take at least 2 teaspoons extra of rice. So now I am heating a non-stick pan, add some ghee to it. Here goes some cumin seed goes into it, some cinnamon sticks, some clove sticks. These will give a lovely flavor to your pulao. And now I am going to add a bay leaf. Yes, all these would give lovely flavor to my pulao. And now comes I am adding some nuts like cashew nuts and raisins. If you have, you can add. If you don't want to add, don't add it. In my house they like it, so I add it. And here goes the cottage cheese or paneer into it. Just saute it a bit. This is also a market bought paneer which I have stored in my house. Just saute it for a few minutes. And this my vegetable wala had turned up in the morning, so I had a fresh supply of the vegetable during this lockdown period, and I'm adding some of the vegetables into it. If you don't want to add, don't add any vegetables. It is all upon you. And if you want, you can add only the cauliflower or the peas or only potato and cauliflower. I got hold of the French beans and also I am adding to it. And now I am adding turmeric powder, which would give a lovely color to my pulao, some red chili powder to add some spice, some coriander powder goes into it, and now I am going to add some garam masala of the 5 spice powder, you can say, some salt goes into it, and I am going to saute it a bit. See, this is looking lovely. This would make a lovely, as such, normal mixed vegetables I can make through this also. Just cover and cook with little water and my mixed veggies would be done. So now I am adding the soaked rice because actually I am making the pulao, don't forget that. So now just saute it a bit so that the rice gets a bit of crispy, and here I am adding water. Water I am going to add in the ratio as 1:2 and half cup more for the vegetables. If you are adding less vegetables, then no need to add, and if you are not adding any vegetables to your pulao or simply little bit of 50 gram of vegetables, then no need to add extra water. Now cover and cook it up, and see I'll show you a trick. I have a rimmed cover, so on that I am sprinkling some water. So as soon as the water dries up, I would know my pulao is done. Now you would be thinking, what about those who have the cover of glass? Because normally nowadays the pan comes with a glass cover. Nothing, no problem. If you have a glass cover, what would happen when you cover it up? First of all, it would be fully covered with the steam, and after few minutes the glass will clear away. After some minutes the glass will clear away, that is, it will become clear. So that proves your pulao is done. See, my rim is totally dry, the water where I have poured some water, and now I am removing the cover, and see, my pulao is done. They look so lovely aroma is coming, and here I am serving it on a plate. Since I wanted to shoot a video photographs, so I am serving it on a plate, otherwise directly I would have served it to the people who are going to have, or to my family who is going to enjoy this pulao. So if you have liked it, just go and make this lovely aromatic pulao, which is no mess, and it is just one pot pulao. And the best part is you can cook anytime within a jiffy of 15 minutes, or in total it takes about 20 minutes to make this pulao with cutting and arranging all the ingredients. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and post comments and queries. I would love to answer it. And one more thing, don't forget to stay at home. Thank you.